It's Mani Me Day. It's Mani Me Day. My box got kind of crushed, but I'm giving it away. Alright, here is this month's Mani Me box. And if you don't know already, Maniology has a monthly subscription box, and it's called Mani and Me. And depending on, like, if you pay ahead, 3 months, 6 months, a year, depends on the price that you're going to pay. So I think it's like, I don't know, 20 bucks if you pay a year ahead. I pay it monthly, it's 25, so you can save a little bit if you buy it ahead. I buy it every month. I buy 2, one for me and one to give away to you. So here's what's in this month's box. They changed the box. This is like, it's usually teal. It's been a teal box forever, but now it's purple, so whatever. I do have a discount code, and it is Guyling325. Use that for 10% off anything you purchase with Maniology, except for the Mani Me box, but I do have a $5 discount code down below that you can use to purchase this for the first time or any first purchase. So let's see what's in the box this month. Geez, what happened to my voice there? The box this month. Melted pineapples don't have calories, correct? You always get a piece of candy of some kind, but they probably stop that and start putting stickers in for the summer because of this. Which, you know what, Maniology, if you're listening, we just as soon have melted candy than we would have the stickers. Okay? Okay? So the box always has 2 polishes, usually stamping polishes, but this month we've got a topper, baby, a topper. You always get these cards that blah, 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 tell you what's going on, tell you how to stamp. We all know how to stamp. I do really like this Mani that they did. And then directions how to stamp, trash. And then we have another card that shows you, tells you about it. I'm not going to read it. You want to read it, pause it and read it. I don't really care. Alright, but the polishes this month are Shark Bait, Periwinkle Blue, bum, 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 and A Whole New World for your manicure possibilities with our smudge-free Mermaid top coat. A glossy top with fine shimmer, pink, green iridescence. Woo! So that's super cute. It is really pretty. Alright, here's the extra this month. Every month you get a little extra. Zoom back out here. And this month it's this cute bag. I mean, I don't know what I'll use it for. It's got a little wrist thingy, and so I guess maybe personal stuff you gotta carry to the beach or whatever. So that's cute. I really like the tie-dye color. And then now the polishes are not exclusive polishes. You can buy those in a couple months. They'll put those up on the site, but the plates are exclusive. Now let me preface that with saying these plates are exclusive, but generally the next couple weeks they'll come out with something similar that everyone can buy, that'll kind of have some of the same images. Maybe not all of them, but I mean, whatever. I don't really care if they're exclusive or not. And then there's Stamping Guide that everybody complains about, and I got 2 in one box. 2. More trash. Thanks. You're dirtying up the oceans. You live in the ocean. They're from Hawaii. Stop sending us the trash. Oh geez, I am snarky today. Be prepared, people. If you don't like snarky, you might want to move along. If you've never joined me before, and you've never been here, you're in for a treat today. Alright, so here is, this is MXM034, and MXM, let me zoom in, focus, thank you, means just Mani and Me. So, you know that's an exclusive plate. And this one is really cute. Oh, I love the Jeep. I have Jeep. I'm a huge Jeep aficionado. We've had Jeeps for 20 years. Fishbone, shell. I don't have to point everything out. You can look at it yourself. Ooh, I like the little crab. That's cute. Really cute stuff on here. Variety of things to do. Radiate positivity. Blow me. That's a little naughty. Find me under the palms. Hello, summer. Oh, whale. Oh. What? Alright, somebody tell me what I'm not getting. What does that mean? Oh, spout? Oh, spray? I don't know. Hydrate. Oh, that's cute. Bite me. A little background. It's like some breaking waves. Huge palm leaf that, I mean, come on. What are we going to do with that thing? I guess maybe on your thumb. I like the board with the bite out of it. That's kind of cute. Okay. Let's see if this polish actually stamps. I think I know what my problem is. I'm like addicted to these energy drinks now. Just found this one. I've been drinking a lot of Bang. But that's quite a bit of caffeine. So I'm going to blame that. Alright, so when you're taking off your films, if you don't know, you're new to this stuff, make sure that you're, you know, holding your plate down and peeling it off so you're not bending your plate. These have backing on them, so they're pretty stout, but still, don't take the chance. Okay, let's just do this giant leaf and see. I don't know. I didn't think I was going to like this polish. It just looked kind of blah to me, but it looks pretty nice. Oh, terrible, terrible scraping job there, but that's all right. I'm not going to worry about that. Oh, no. No. I don't know. It's not too bad. It's okay over white. Not really over the black, but I think it would be a pretty polish to use just as a polish, maybe not so much as the stamping polish. And there again is my issue with Maniology. Usually my only issue is telling me it's a stamping polish and putting stamping polish, and then, you know, it's not that great. It stamps. That's all I can say. Now, a lot of times, like, so this is fresh, new polish. If you would just unscrew it, don't take the lid off or anything, just unscrew it and let it sit overnight. They get a little thicker and, you know, so therefore a little more opaque. This is a little thin right now. It's, like I said, it's a fresh polish. So a lot of times after you use them, the air hits them a few times, they get a little thicker, they stamp a little better. So, you know, So now that I have the plastic off, I'll let you take a little better look at this plate. And those are really cute. There's some cute stuff on these plates. And I mean, I think this water, like breaking waves, would be really pretty too. It's just kind of like a textured water and the waves. So, pretty cute plate, both of them. So it's very pretty, but like I said, I would rather use it as a top coat and then stamp over it, so the stamping is going to stand out a little bit, you know. It is very pretty though. Really like that. And it's something they never gave us before, so that's kind of cool. So I just took some polishes and I took Fab 5 Freddy, Paradise Bay, and Murph. I believe maybe not Murph, but the other two are probably still available from Brave Stevie Nail Polish. I always put links below, so if I don't link something, you can't find it, just say something and I'll find it for you. I'm also using heavy duty silicone spray, which, you know, some people say, oh, that's not safe for your hands. Wow, is polish really? I mean, come on. It's just WD-40. Just, I mean, I'm just gonna use a little bitty spritzy of it, and you know, you're an adult. You don't think it's safe, don't use it. I'm gonna show you how to do it without even using silicone spray. They also make Spot It, which is a polish that makes the fluid nail art cells in the polish. I mean, I didn't use very much, and I really didn't do that great of a job getting the cells to come out. So, I mean, I think that the one that I used, you see, it's just like barely, you actually want the nozzle a little clogged acting. You just want a little bitty bit. And I'm just going to take this card and kind of, you can see what I'm doing. I'm just pulling it across and just kind of smushing it in just a little bit. White polish usually works better if you use white over this, but I just didn't want white in it. And there's what you end up with. You could also fold it in half and not pull the card across it, just kind of fold it in half and smush it and let it out, and you'll get the same kind of pattern. But I just wanted it to look kind of beachy. And then I'm gonna stamp some beachiness. Beach. Again, just showing you how I'm just barely pulling that across and kind of mushing it around a little bit. You can also just use a smushy and the polish and stripes on a mat just a little bit, and then take a stamper, pick it up and put it on your nail. And I'm just making decals. This one I did not use the silicone spray, and I mean, heck, I think it looks just as good. You don't even have to use it. It's still pretty. I still put it on my nails. Alright, let's get to stamping. Alright, here's the base I ended up with. It is a decal, so I will link up here how to make decals, because I'm not going to go through all that process. I get it now. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. I knew it'd come to me eventually. Alright, we're just going to go basic. So I'm just going to stick a tall palm tree here. And then those little ones. Don't even want that one. Yeah, I just want those two down here. Little beach chair and the umbrella, because if I'm on the beach, I'm gonna have an umbrella because me and the sun do not agree. That's definitely where I'm gonna be. And a chair under an umbrella. And that's it. Ooh, I love it. I love it. All right, time. Now I'm going to top coat and be right back. And I'm going to be using smudge free top coat from Maniology, and then I'll be putting another top coat over that too. Anyway, if you want to enter the giveaway, just put US or international down below and say enter me, and that's it. Now these usually aren't international. I don't usually include international, and shipping right now is a little weird, so don't come after me. But everyone will have an equal chance. I just put the comments, I just put the link to the video in a random comment picker and let it pick a comment, because I cannot choose. Because if I could, I would give every single one of you a box, but I can't. But if you want to order this box, I think that as long as you order the Maniology Mani and Me subscription box by the 20th of June, you will get this box. But absolutely, reach out to them, email them, private message them, whatever, and ask the dates. I'll try to remember to put that down below just in case, because I don't remember. It may be that you have to order it I think it's like the 23rd, maybe 20th, 23rd, you have to order it by to get this box, but you just need to ask and they'll let you know. Alright, I think this is super cute. Thanks, guys. Is there anything else I need to say? Subscribe, thumbs up. Stay tuned. I always add a little fun video at the end. Bye.
Shake that booty, buddy.
The hummingbirds are a little frightened of you. I know you're just a little baby, but that's fountain is for them, and they won't come play if you're out here. I really want some video of the hummingbirds playing in the fountain. She doesn't care.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.